Biologists have sorted living things into groups.
Sorting into groups is known as classifying. Each group has a group name, and that group name tells us about it.
Even the subgroups have names. The owls are part of the bigger group called birds. Birds are part of the bigger group called vertebrates. And vertebrates are part of the bigger group called animals.
When biologists first classified living things, they used the most obvious features. The color of the animal, its size, and where they live is not as important as the type of skin covering, or the method of reproduction, or whether the animal has bones or not. People, emus and kangaroos all stand on two legs. They are classified into different groups because of differences in their skin covering and method of reproduction. These criteria are more important than how these animals stand up.
All living things can be divided into 5 groups: animals, plants, fungi, Monera, and Protista. These are called kingdoms, and they are the biggest groups of living things.
Each of these kingdoms is divided into smaller groups. These groups are divided into smaller groups of living things that are even more alike. These groups are divided again, and divided again. In the end, the smallest groups of living things are very similar to each other. They are called species.
A species is a group of organisms that look similar to each other. When they breed, their offspring are fertile. In other words, they can also breed. Domestic cats belong to the one species because they can interbreed and have kittens. Within the domestic cat species there are many types, called breeds, such as Burmese, Siamese, Manx, and Chinchilla.